I saw those. So we're here today at Newton Reservoir. Supposedly it's like bass and muskie heaven. So see how it goes. These are the species. Crappie are fun. Yeah, it should be a good day. Alright, I got here bright and early at the ass crack of dawn, and I'm stoked to go fish, but it is super windy and it's pretty cold. So I'm kind of waiting it out for a minute. Hopefully the wind dies down and it warms up. So I'm gonna chill in my truck for just a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can see it on the GoPro because of the wide angle, but yeah, it's pretty windy out there. But yeah, I'll probably give it like a half hour and go launch the kayak. Wish me luck on the muskie. I hooked one like a month ago and it ended up getting off the hook, and I was pretty bummed about that because it was definitely bigger than my first one. So I'm hoping I can find another one here. Alright, see you out in the reservoir. Alright guys, it's gonna be windy, but look at this. If I was a bass, I would be right there. Let's give it a try real quick. Looks like dude across the way might be catching stuff. God damn, it is windy and it is cold. And this reservoir is pretty low. If I had a motor, I'd be out there right now. But that shit looks kind of miserable. Yeah, this is a brand new lake. I've never fished here, so I'll take some time to figure it out. So it looks like it might be too windy to take the kayak out on the lake or reservoir or whatever. But we've come too far to go back. So I found the inlet to the reservoir. I'm just gonna kind of hike down. Hopefully we can find some fish. It's a cool little stream. I doubt there's any fish in there, but you never know. Looks like a good little bass hole up here. Bass hole. We'll see. Looks like there's fish right here. They're making wakes. Probably catfish, but it'd be cool if we found a bass. Oh, muddy. Let's get out to the good spot, give it a try. All right, guys, just a little update. We haven't caught no fish out here at the Reservoir inlet, but I've seen them feeding down right here in this green slime. And I don't really know how to catch them down there because I don't have a topwater or a frog or nothing like that. But the scenery is pretty cool. I think it's technically still Utah, but it's pretty much Idaho. Whoa, I got stuck on something. All right, a couple casts at the inlet, then we're going back to the dam. Cause goddamn, yeah, I'm tired of dealing with this slime. This definitely makes me want to get a boat though. So I have a kayak, but I don't want to go out in the water because of the wind. All right, last cast here. I already got stuck in the slime. We got dead slime, bunch of slime. It's slime time. Slimy. Oh, fuck. Well, this isn't the way I wanted to see a muskie. It's pretty wild. This thing's been here for a while. Doesn't look like it was caught. I don't know why it would have died that small though. It's not very big. Anyways, on to the next spot. Alright, we're catching something today. I don't care what. The plan was muskie, but the water's pretty fucked. Alright guys, we're getting bites in this spot, but I don't know how the double treble hook's not getting them. It's kind of wild. Yeah, I seen one fish swipe at it, and then I felt something pretty big tug on it a second ago. But they're not hooking up. The one that swiped it, it was definitely long and silver. It looked like a baby muskie. It's a baby muskie. I don't have enough battery to sit here and record all day, so I just kind of flip it on when I get a bite or something. Finally got a fish! Yes! Yes! Finally! Jeez! Ha! Ha! Chill out, buddy boy. Nice. Nice. That's exactly what I was after. He's a fat fish too. He's a fat fish. Let's rinse him off. You got a little bit of a gill hook. But I don't think it's too bad. All right, buddy. We just need to get a weigh on you real quick. Thanks for biting. God damn, yeah, that's a nice bass. I seen him eat it too. I don't think I was recording. All right, I'm gonna football you for a second. They're very skittish. He swam up to it super slow, just barely nipped it. Just gonna get a quick weight on you real quick, bud. I'd say 1.5. Big ass freaking belly. Supposedly he weighs 1 ounce. Yeah, that's bullshit. Let's recalibrate the scale. All right. Well, he's 1 ounce off of a pound, but I don't know, he's a pretty big fish. All right, see you later, buddy. That was awesome. Hell yeah. 1 ounce off of a pound. It's kind of hard to believe. That was a big fish. All right. So I guess they're all hiding back here. Let's see if we can get 2 in a row. That'd be sweet. Yeah, I can hear them feeding all around right here. There's so much slime though. Yeah, earlier today it was super windy and they weren't biting anywhere. And now the sun's out and they're feeding all around me. And I'm guessing that they're hiding under all this matted stuff. Let's try that cast again. Let's give her a go. That was my first fish on a bait caster too. You can tell when it gets slime on it because it starts swimming all crazy. Man, bass are so fun. They really are a fun fish to catch. Man, that was cool. I just seen him swim up and just munch it. First time I've seen that. But they're definitely slowing down. With it being October, like he barely took a bite at it. But I slowed down the lure just enough that he snapped at it. Ooh, I think we just got a bite. Yeah, that was a bite. Am I still recording? Let's cast over there again. Yeah, there's baby bass feeding all around. I'm surprised that big one came out. That was freaking cool, and I hope it's not the only fish of the day. Drove like a hour, well, it should have been an hour and 17 minutes. But ended up being like an hour and a half because I missed my turn because I was tired. All in the name of catching a Utah bass and getting footage. All right, let's see what's over here. Yeah, there's a bird sitting right here too. Bird told me that there's fish. And I took his spot. Bung. All right, dudes. My GoPro batteries went bad, or I don't know what happened, but we got another bass, and this one's even better. So let's get him on the scale real quick, see how much he weighs. Damn. It's another good one on the Rapala shad deep diver. All right, see how much this guy weighs. What? I don't know if I believe that. It's a pretty good bass. Supposedly he weighs 15 ounces. Oh well. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. See you later. That's two 15-ounce basses. Not a terrible day, but I'm definitely working for them. All right, dudes. This is one way to end the video, I guess. So, goddamn. I caught two largemouth bass at Newton Reservoir. And it was a really good day. It was hard to find them, but I had a good time. It was worth it. But on the way home, my truck broke down. Kind of just felt like the gas pedal just stopped working and then it died. So I'm assuming it was a timing chain. This is my first truck. It's a 2016 Dodge Ram. I was just coasting on the freeway, not even gassing it too hard or nothing, and it just stopped working pretty much. RPMs went all the way down. The truck just died. Luckily, I have a warranty, so hopefully it's covered, whatever it is. And I got a friend on the way to pick me up, and it's back to the Subaru for a while, I guess. But yeah, figured I'd make an outro for the video real quick. Yeah, wish me luck on the truck. Catch you guys later.